colors. Like it's all about like details, like the bows right here. This guy shading the cards, but then you look at the embroidery on her sleeve. Also, when you use a camera and you look at things through a camera, all of a sudden details, like see how much lighter his face is in the camera versus like in real life. You can start to see things that like elevate without like look at the difference in like the realism that is there. And you like look at the pearl necklace there. And then the texturing right through there again. Like the embroidery on her sleeves. And then you have this rich kid over here like, oh, look at all the money. But like De La Torre is known for his detail and his light sources. So it's like look at the detail work he put into this feather over here.
Certainly not a Monet.
No, like he wanted you to see everything that's happening in this painting.